So here's another unboxing slash unbagging. Got this. Ordered these little quick locks for camera tripod. They look like they'll work. And I'll take the phone off of the tripod here and try it out. So I've had some terrible luck on eBay recently. Bought this little bag here for the iPad. It was advertised as leather, and turns out it is pleather. Leather with a P, pleather. Oh, and I had done this earlier. Forgot to hit record. So, is this the second? Is this take two, or is this the second take one? Because I forgot to hit record, and I was like, "Oh, came out pretty good." When I went to check it out, it wasn't there because I forgot to hit record. But anyways, yeah, pleather. So make sure you check the description. And didn't realize it said P-U, capital letters, and then leather. But all I saw was leather. Didn't realize that the P-U stands for polyurethane. And anyways, so I'm stuck with this. It looks pretty nice, and I had already ruined a few of these little iPod, and haven't touched that thing in about 10 years. iPod, but iPad. Little protector cases. Yeah, I've ruined about. This is let's see, I had 2 black ones, and then this is the second blue one. But yeah, under the car seat and yeah, everywhere. So I figured I'd get this little bag to carry it in. But anyways, enough of that. So yeah, pleather. So check your descriptions and all that kind of good stuff. And then I ordered this thing here. I had one of these before, and this little, actually more like this one. Had this, and the little handle broke. Still used it, and would have the use this thing here to. This one's kind of tight, but anyways, I would loosen this up and lift this up and down by hand. But thought I would get a new one, and my bad, it's a little handle here. This thing, you can crank it up and down. Pretty cool. But anyways, I was just kind of doing it by hand. Thought I'd go on eBay and got a new one. So went on eBay, got it in this box. It was all nicely packaged. Opened the box. It was listed as new. So anyways, I opened the box, and I get this thing here. which was definitely not what was supposed to be in the box. Targus 58-inch camera tripod. And had got this at Fry's Electronics about 15, 20, 100 million, billion years ago, like Biden says. But yeah, about 15, 20 years ago. And like I said, the little crank broke. So thought I'd get another. And so anyways, was supposed to get this. Pretty neat with the, has a little, supposed to have a little bubble level. Anyways, but I got this. It's supposed to look like this. And little carry handle, no carry handle, bubble level, no bubble level. And then, so anyways, contacted the seller, refunded the money, told me just go ahead and keep it. Told him I would send it back, but he said just his mistake. So anyways, then, so I found this one, and again, it was listed as new. Came in this box, and when I took it out, pretty nice, everything. Turns out it's broken. Wah. Wah, wah, wah. So I did another video on that one earlier when I was unwrapping it. It's wrapped pretty nicely, but broken. Then around here it's bent, and also one of these was also cracked. Well, it finished breaking, so now both of them are broken. And then this one's bent, the other one was cracked. Now they're both bent, both broken. So then I ordered these little quick release plates for this, just to have extras, because it's good to have extras. These are pretty cool. I have one of these kind of open. Okay, here we go. Move these out of the way. Okay, this one here said it was universal quick release plate. I was having trouble earlier with the one hand. Try my other hand. Maybe if I use two hands. Okay, there we go. So, these are like 99 cents. I think I made an offer. They were like $2. And I think I said I'll get 4 for 99 cents each, I think. Well, anyways, universal. But not for this universe. And same here. So I don't know what universe they were for, but not universal for another universe. And I didn't even bother. I didn't even realize there was different sizes, since, you know, I'm thinking universal is like a universal. So yeah. So anyways, I was like, oh, been having a bad week on eBay. So anyways, figured adapt and overcome. Getting all Bidenized. Anyways, what I came up with, just need to find me some glue or something, some good, well, anyways, what I thought of, a little hack here, is took a pen cap, cut off a piece, I'll put this here. Not good at one hand. If I do this and do that, and there we go. Voila. Heck yeah. I don't know if it'll work this way too. Oh, what I do with the little thing? Oh, there we go. Heck yeah. Wow. Check that out. 99 cents and a little pen cap. On a broken tripod. I guess if you force it, it will come. Anyways, I gotta work on that a little more. Maybe on that end. Maybe this video's lasting more than it should. Oh, look at that. On that end. Huh. Yeah. It was a little too much, but it's gonna work. 99 cents. Quick release plate. Yeah, maybe I'll just return them. Universal, not very universal. And wrong item. New, but broken. In fact, it said new, but it's got smudges on the all over, scratches on the bottom, and like I said, it's a little bent. The box looked like it had been retaped. Then found a label here that says return. So this had obviously been returned at one point for some reason. So definitely not new. The leather bag, that's not leather. And the universal quick release plates that are not universal. So think that's about it. So, have fun shopping on eBay. Well, it's not, purchased a lot of things on eBay before. Never had issues, so it happens. Happens once in a while. Happens 4 out of 4. Sometimes. That's about it. All right. Okay. Take care.